If you want to uninstall Apple devices because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Apple devices on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Apple devices. Click on the three dots to open the Apple devices options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. Locate the Uninstall option. If Apple devices is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Apple devices and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for Apple devices. Click on Apple devices. Press Get. Wait for Apple devices to be downloaded and installed. Now open Apple devices. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.